Okay, check this out. This is my vending machine. I've just sort of velcroed it to my 3D printer's enclosure stand thing here. And just to talk about how it works, inside there's a candy wheel like this. This is one of the earlier prototypes. Just wasn't thick enough, so I had to print a new one. And there's a little lip inside there that covers one of the holes, and that hole goes down to the shaft. So if I tell the motor to rotate, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Yep, it vends a little bit of candy, right? And the vendor needs to the motor needs to rotate just 45 degrees each time, which is pretty easy to calculate. And it will dispense a little bit of candy, and kids can hold a little cup down here. Or I don't know, I might have just a general gathering mechanism inside the costume, so that they can just put their cup in one place. You know, just have them all come down a chute, no matter which button they press, and they'll be able to push a button to have it vend each style of candy. These are peanut M&Ms, and the reason why I chose these for the demonstration, or for testing, I should say, is because they are the biggest, and I wanted to make sure that they fit in those little holes. And this is just a little plastic jar I ordered from Amazon. That was food grade, and this is food grade PETG. Not that that matters. The candy's only going to touch it for a split second, and it's only one night really. After which I'll probably disassemble it and turn it into my own little vending machine, which I'll probably just put on the wall over here or something. We'll see. We'll see.